evening once again, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to the groundbreaking launch of Valenzuela City's Paspas Permit online permit system. And now, please welcome your host, Honey Ubusan.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Again, my name is Honey, your host for today. Now, in this day and age, speed and efficiency are the key to progress. And Valenzuela City takes this to heart as being a city that is on the up and up. Valenzuela prides itself in being a four-time awardee of the most business-friendly city. So let's give a round of applause for that, right? Not only that, it is a Hall of Famer as well in this category. So currently, you could actually get a legit business permit in as fast as 30 minutes, and that's actually the fastest across all cities. But of course, in its bid to up the ante in terms of speed of services on the permit processing unit, or front rather, we're very excited to have all of you here as we witness the launch of Paspas Permit, which is Valenzuela City's online permit processing service. So, just imagine this, like 30 minutes is already fast, right? But just imagine being able to secure your permit or get your permit in 10 seconds. That's pretty fast, right? A round of applause for that. I'm not joking. You heard me right, ladies and gentlemen. I said you could get your business permit as fast as 10 seconds. So what did we say are the keys to progress? We said fast, 10 seconds, that's check. Efficiency, everything is done online, check. So we're going to find out more about that. We're really excited to have you all here today, but let's get this ball rolling. First, we'd like to acknowledge the presence of the following. Starting off with Executive Director of the Bureau of Local Government Finance, or BLFG, Mr. Nino Raymond Albina. Next, we have the Department of Trade and Industry Director, Competitiveness Bureau, Ms. Lilian Salonga. Over there. If you could please stand up so we can see you as well. Next off, there she is. Thank you so much. We move on to the Department of Trade and Industry Assistant Secretary, ECO, Ms. Mary Jean Pacheco. Somewhere in the crowd. Next, we have Securities and Exchange Commission Commissioner J.B. Francisco. We move on to DILG Director for Local Development, Ms. Annalisa Bonagua. Right here in front. And we have the Chief of Party of USAID, E-Peso Mert Tangonan. We also have with us Philippine Chamber of Commerce and Industry CSR Committee Chair, Ms. Nora Lacuna. Thank you so much. Universidad de Manila President, Ms. Malu Tiquia. And galing Pook, Dr. Eddie Dorotan. Perhaps somewhere around here. So thank you so much for being here with us tonight. Now, without further ado, to give us his take on his breakthrough business innovation, the Department of Trade and Industry Secretary Ramon Lopez has been gracious enough to share a few words. A round of applause, please.
Magandang gabi po sa inyo lahat. Mayor Rex and to your team, to Vice Mayor, and to the councilors, ang ating pong mga partners sa government, DILG, DICT, mga kasama ko po sa DTI, ang ating pong the mother of fintech in the Philippines, Tess Espinilla, Miss Malu Tiquia also, and sa ating pong mga magigiting na at magagandang members ng PCCI, especially from Valenzuela, and I don't know kung meron din po PCCI from other areas. Oh, yes, hello ma'am. Oh, tama, iba-iba. Metro Manila, I guess, no? Representation dito. at ang mga ibang business sector, ladies and gentlemen. It's so great to be here. I'm very excited. Hindi ko makakaya in 10 seconds yung aking speech ng konti. It's really, I was trying to, I was telling the mayor, kung kaya kong 10 seconds lang yung speech. Kasi pas-pas 10 seconds. But I'm really very happy kasi when I saw the mayor about this, and we've been working with the mayor with so many programs, but definitely it's about ease of doing business. I see the mayor really paving and blazing the trail, especially when it comes to business permit. We've been really trying to work on ease of doing business, particularly in automating, first streamlining and then automating the processes. As you all know, at the end of the day, we all want our application to be in this unit, whether it's a laptop, iPad, or cell phone, mobile phone, wherein everything nandito na. Ayun ang pinaka-ease of doing business. And that is the challenge to many of us in government. Much as, we are streamlining, but if we are not able to translate everything here, at pupunta ka pa sa mga opisina, magsasabit ka pa ng form at babalikan mo pa yun ay hindi po ease of doing business. What we really want to happen is what Mayor Rex has been doing, and it is successfully from his end, the end-to-end in business permit given by the mayor. Saludo po ako sa inyo, Mayor Rex, sa inyong mga ginagawa. And this is what we want, and kaya sa DILG, actually I invited Secretary Anyo, Secretary Manasan, Secretary Dominguez for tonight. Nasa budget na lang si Secretary Dominguez, budget hearing. But what we really want to show is, I guess this will be the future. This will be the benchmark, and this will have to be replicated at all levels of government. And so, syempre, at the mayor or city and municipality level, to me, this would be the gold standard. This should be the system that will have to be replicated, wherein everything is online, application, assessment and payment, and printing. Para ka talagang bumibili lang ng airplane tickets. Yun po ang ambisyon natin sa gobyerno. Now, we have this at the mayor's permit level. Ang talagang ambisyon namin, and I've been saying this, and of course working with the DICT and all the agencies from SEC, BIR, SSS, Pag-ibig, PhilHealth, ay ma-convert natin lahat dito rin, end-to-end. As you know, pag nag-fill po tayo sa SEC, they tried to, with the CRS, nag-attempt pong mag-automate. They are redoing the system. In fact, they're changing the form, the application form, to really streamline further, and a different approach. I guess there should be what is being done here at the mayor's permit, yung fairly automatic. When you apply, pag registration, the thinking should be, the mindset should be, fill up, submit, automatically approve. Kasi pagka in-evaluate pa, tatagal na naman yan, babalik ka na naman sa sistema. And Mayor Rex is doing it right, fill up, submit, automatic approve, but there will be uploading of required documents, and other requirements can be a post-registration requirement. That is the best system. And so we would like to do that also at the SEC, at the SSSD, Pag-ibig PhilHealth, and Mayor's Permit, ito na yun, and then also at the BIR. So yun po ang ambition. So that, imagine if all will be 10 seconds, and just to clarify, the 10 seconds is submission daw to the printing. Hindi kasama yung pag-fill up, kasi kung mabagal mag-type, hindi kasama sa 10 seconds yun. So assuming na 8 minutes to 10 minutes lahat yung proseso na to, and yung SEC 10 minutes, yung BIR 10 minutes, SSS Pag-ibig PhilHealth 10 minutes, filling up, then you will have starting a business process in less than 1 hour. From end to end, from SEC to BIR. Printing of receipt na lang ang kailangan. And what we have worked on with the BIR is printed receipt available na. Wala nang ipiprint. Tama, yun pa rin ang ating ambition. Kasi ngayon, pag authority to print, pupunta ka pa sa printer mo, magpapaprint ka pa. Ngayon, ang sinasuggest po, ang bino-work around po natin, at the BIR level, so pinaka-last phase, pag approve, you can get your printed receipt from the BIR, sir. Yun yung authorized by the BIR. Para yung piprint mo would be for the next batch already. But immediately, you can start a business. So that's the point. Meron ng approval on that same day. And also the receipts on the same day. So this is our vision. We're all working towards this, but tonight it is really a celebration wherein we are seeing for the first time a super fast system at the mayor's permit, business permit system. And we laud again Valenzuela. Bagay na bagay dahil ngayon din po ang 12, ilang years na ba? Ngayon din po ang foundation year ninyo. No? 300 years na ba? Oh, 400 years. Oh my gosh. 400 years. Pero 10 seconds. Yung 400 years and 10 seconds. So, congratulations sa inyo, and hopefully this will really be the start of the automation of all the government permits and services. Umpisa na to, DILG Director Bonacual, ito po ang ating gagawing project para lahat po, DICT, kapartner natin, lahat po sa government magiging ganito na ang ehemplo. At yung talagang ease of doing business, hopefully mag-number 1 tayo sa starting a business. Doon pa lang. And then, pati pa yung ibang indicators, gagawin na rin natin ganito hanggang makakaya natin. Again, congratulations po sa inyo lahat.
Thank you so much, Secretary Lopez. So now to give everybody actually a teaser on how fast the Valenzuela City Paspas permit is, well, please watch this. It is a very special and humorous TVC.
Oh, akala ko mababayaran yung amiga sa City Hall.
Tapos na po.
Eh, yung marriage certificate, birth certificate.
Tapos na po.
Eh, di ba? Mag-a-apply ka pa ng business permit.
Tapos na po. 10 seconds lang po yun.
Detsego?
May paspas permit sa Valenzuela. Online permit system. Wala nang hintay-hintay.
Eh, yung pinapalata ko sa'yo.
Hindi pa po tapos.
So that was a very entertaining and humorous rendition of how fast the Paspas permit is. But you know, Valenzuela City does take its citizens and its business owners in terms of welfare. They take it very seriously. So to tell us more about this revolutionary service called Paspas permit, let's call on stage none other than the Mayor of Valenzuela City, Honorable Rex Gatchalian.
Maraming salamat. Magandang gabi sa inyong lahat. Bago ako magsimula, let me, off the get-go, thank all of you for braving the, parang sisimula mag-umulan, the traffic, and coming to join us as we launch Paspas Permit, and at the same time as we celebrate our 396 Foundation Day. Siyempre, before I keep on going on, let me first acknowledge Secretary Mon Lopez. Secretary, thank you po for joining us. And our friends from DILG, DICT, ARTA, BSP, and all the trade partners who made Paspas Permit possible. I understand that Grab and Paymaya, DGT, and Elanbank are also here, together with the different assessors, business permits, officers, treasurers, LCR heads of the different cities of Metro Manila. Nandiyan din yung fellow George Washington alumni ko, si Ma'am Malutikia, who happens to run Universidad de Manila. And of course, all our taxpayers who joined us tonight, the top taxpayers of Valenzuela City, maraming salamat sa pagdalo. And before I forget, nandito rin yung mga iba naming kasamahan sa City Hall. Of course, the Vice Mayor of the City, Vice Mayor Lori Natividad Borja, together with the City Councilmen and Councilwomen, who has also been helping us run this program. This night is all about speed. Sabi nga yung programa namin, pag nakita nyo, paspas rin siya. Gone into how many seconds. But katulad ni Secmon, I cannot promise you that this part of my speech will take 10 seconds kasi medyo konti lang ang mga bagay na matatapos mo in 10 seconds. Actually, somebody told me that not even a bullet train can reach its destination in 10 seconds. But in Valenzuela City, actually, you can set up your business in 10 seconds. That's how fast we can issue your temporary business permits. Now, word of disclaimer, katulad ni Secretary Mon, the 10 seconds starts when your confirmation of payment is made. Hindi matutuwa yung City Treasurer namin pag issue kami ng permit habang wala pang confirmation ng payment. So upon confirmation of payment, we send you a provisional business permit when you can start your business already. Now, it doesn't matter when you get your plates, your actual business permit plates, but we partnered with Grab and Worldwide Delivery to make sure na makarating rin sa mga taxpayers natin yung actual plate. But like most of the taxpayers here, you know, in Valenzuela City, we don't really look at the plates. What's important for us is masimulan nyo na yung mga negosyo nyo, ma-renew nyo na yung mga business permit nyo as fast as you can. Nandito alam ko yung mga finance people ng mga kumpanya natin sa Valenzuela City. Ang mandato namin sa inyo, you don't have to fall in line anymore in City Hall. We want you to actually go online and do your business permits processing at the convenience of your offices or your homes. We want you not to go through the crowd every January 1 to January 20 when you're renewing your business permit. We want you to stay in the convenience of your homes, not brave traffic, not add to the traffic and just process all your permits online sa inyong mga opisina, sa inyong mga tahanan. See, today we celebrate the 396th year of the foundation of Valenzuela City. Valenzuela was founded in the riverbanks of Polo. That's why we used to be called as Polo. What used to be a sleepy town that focused on agriculture is now one of the country's largest industrial bases. And that's because of you, our taxpayers who are with us tonight. And ang gift namin sa inyo as we celebrate our 396th year is Paspas Permit. We want you to start your business in Valenzuela. We want you to grow your business in Valenzuela. And if you just want to renew your business permit, ayaw na namin na nahihirapan pa po kayo, kaya nga may Paspas Permit. We want you to do it again in the convenience of your homes and not fall in line, but rather go online. So Paspas Permit in a nutshell, as I mentioned, is number one, the country's, as far as we know, the country's fastest permit system there is. At 10 seconds upon confirmation of payment. Right now, we do it at 30 minutes. Medyo mabilis na tayo sa Valenzuela, but we sped it up, 10 seconds na lang. And it's also the country's only end-to-end online permit system there is for a local government unit. I'm not sure kung may national government unit na meron, but for local government units, tayo sa Valenzuela ang nauna dito. And may bonus pa ho kami sa inyo. Hindi lang naman business permits ang pwedeng i-transact sa Paspas Permit system. You can actually get copies of your certified real property taxes, mga tax declarations. You can also get your building permits and apply it online. And as a bonus for every single Valenzuelano who maybe not have a business by themselves, they can transact their local civil registry requirements online also. You can get copies, or certified true copies of your marriage contract, so and so forth. And all of those will be delivered. You transact it online, end to end. You pay it online. You have multiple payment options: PayMaya, Land Bank, DBP, credit card, debit card, whatever you have. And you can also choose the delivery option of these documents, whether it's through Grab delivery or whether it's through Worldwide Delivery. We will make sure that it gets to your doorsteps. Literally, we don't want to hassle you anymore by braving traffic, falling in line in City Hall, and going home na haras. Literally, you can transact everything in the convenience of your fingertips as easy as 1, 2, 3. Come January, we're going to migrate this to the mobile app of Valenzuela City. Right now, the mobile app is up and running, but we're in the process of incorporating Paspas Permit in your mobile smartphone. So that come January again, there's another new innovation that Valenzuela City will showcase. So hindi ko na ho patatagalin pa. I know I exceeded 10 seconds, but beg my indulgence. We're still going to do a paspas program tonight because tonight is all about speed. So muli, maraming salamat. Magandang gabi sa inyong lahat.